guys and the people. We're about 30 miles south of Astoria. We went down to Tillamook today. We're on our way back. We stopped here earlier and it was cloudy and raining. I figured this time with the sun out it'd be kind of cool to see it. Man, it didn't disappoint. It looks, I don't know if you guys can see, way out there, that rock out there, farthest one, appears to have a house on it. Some sort of structure out there, maybe a lighthouse. But this is kind of where we're at. I'm gonna back out a little bit here so you guys can see it. Got a little fish joint over here to the right. Got a hotel, bunch of high-end condos and whatnot. But man, the rocks here really are something. It's such a different look compared to Florida. I really prefer the Pacific, if I'm being completely honest. The Gulf is amazing. Not a big fan of the Atlantic, but the Pacific, it's just, there's so much energy in it. I mean, look at this thing. Anyway, love you guys. Just wanted to give you a little little video of what we're looking at, because it's pretty cool. See you soon.